This job actually started out to be just to tighten and putting a few posts in, but you can see this old wire, this old woven wire. It's full of holes. The calves are crawling through it. But these old posts, some of them just break. See, break right out like this. I usually just break them out. But a lot of them I have to use a jack and a chain post like this one. I put a chain around it, pull them out because they're in there pretty good. But I'm replacing them all with new steel posts, tightening the wire, putting new clips on. I started that this morning. Got all the way to where you see the fence postal diggers. Just dug a 3-foot hole. Kind of taking a break on those. Yeah, about 3 foot down there. I just got done putting a notch in this post. I thought I brought a saw. I had to improvise and use a hacksaw blade. Anyway, normally I'd take this and put the hammer instead of doing it this way. Let's hope this booger don't break out. One second, I want it breaking down there. It's kind of a bad post here. One second, guys. Well, that's what I was doing. I was using that bar, but you can do it with the hammer too. Makes no difference. Kind of rotten post. I thought I picked a good one, but I didn't. This one turned out beautiful. It's all refurbished material, so I gotta do what I gotta do. Alright, I'm going to try this one-handed. I just wanted to show you guys the trick that I was taught growing up, putting the fence in. I'm sure a lot of you know. Just trying to get it level. Pretty good actually right there. That way. It was. Pretty good for the fence. Well, it was for a second, huh, guys? Run in. Don't put there. I wish I would have had this brick I put it out here. Good there. Check this side one more time. Probably lost it right there. There it says I'm good there again. Yep, still level. Alright. See if we can reach this Well, what I do is just put a little dirt at a time in. I'm sure a lot of you know this. Tap it really, really well. Look at that bubble. It'll move, but I'll just straighten it back out. Look at that, right on the money. It's gonna move. Trying not to. Just a little bit of time, tamper down, add a little bit more, tamper down. I think she moved again, guys. Try this at home. Filming with one hand and working with the other. What you want to do is get it really, really tight. Normally I'm pretty good at it, but I'm trying to film and trying to keep it from moving when I want it. Tamping away. Where's the part about putting the dang post in is digging and tamping. Right about now, she shouldn't move much at all. I just wanted to share it with you guys. I've been wanting to. I just know how the heck I was gonna film and do all this work. Can't do it all, but we'll get back to you here in a minute. I'm gonna show how tight this is getting already. Right now, not as tight as I want it yet. It's just really tight. Solid. Nothing to push mine over. Maybe a tractor with bowls and stuff. No. They're gonna have a hard time. I like making them wide so I have room for the pole. The wider the better, actually. That way I can move the pole where I want it. But this is really hard ground right here. I haven't even got a foot. On that one, it went easy. This one's, I've just got to chip away and take my time. Oh, I made it to the foot mark. Almost a foot. Getting closer. Gotta go about 3 feet, but I'm getting closer. That stuff is just hard. Look at that. It's crumbled up. It's really hard packed. This seems to be working out. I always think out of the box somewhere or another. That's how hard this ground is. I'm gonna tap it down in there and show you guys. Come up this way. Oh, you hear the hammer going off. Alright. Kind of tap it down in there and do that. Let's turn it back around here. Sorry for the upside down scene. I'm gonna hit my phone. Tap it down in there a little bit more and just push her over. Oh, sorry about the phone. I wish I had a tripod. Well, I think I reached my goal, guys. Talk about working your butt off. Chiseling away like that is a lot of work. I mean, that was some hard packed dirt. I chiseled and chiseled and chiseled till I hit my 3-foot mark. But anyway, I'm done for the night. I've been at this all day since 5 o'clock this morning. I will talk to you all later. Have a good night.